How to fix Snapchat login error c14a on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here this one, display and brightness, and here click screen resolution. If you find it like that on low, just make it high, and then just go back to the next step. Now just go to apps and then apps again, and type here Snapchat, and now go to this one here, power usage details, and click force stop, or you can just click force stop from here, and that's it. Then go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage and allow mobile data, and all of those here, and just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.